Okay guys, today we are in Cilacap. After yesterday evening, I went to Cilacap from Kebumen, and right now it is 5 p.m. approximately. And as you can see right there are so many beautiful birds. You can see one, two, three, four, five, probably more than yeah, more than five. And as you can see right there, the head is white, but actually I cannot zoom the bird. Probably I'll try to zoom right now. Oh, unfortunately they are all gone. Oh, not gone, it is still right there. They are still right there. Oh, I can zoom. Oh, oh, unfortunately some of them are, oh, they come back again. And you can see the white head is so beautiful. But it is so blurry. I do apologize for the lag quality of my phone. Probably I will try to change the position. And in here in Indonesia we call it, especially in Kebumen, we call it Peking, just like a name of a city in China. I'll try to zoom it again. Yeah, you can see here the white head. Oh my god, surely they are surely like to play. And yeah, oh, so this is the clearer one. So you can see he is so beautiful, right? And they are mostly around in this particular month, since the paddy is being harvested, and most of them are eating uh, seeds like that. So you will find them more, so many of them in paddy field. It is so beautiful. And if you would like to catch them to be your pet, it is best to catch them at night when they are sleeping. Or maybe you are wondering where they are sleeping. And since they like to eat seedlings, and the paddy are vastly available in the field, most of them sometimes they are sleeping in the paddy field, right on top of the paddy field. So if you are free at night, probably at it is 8 or 9 or 10 p.m., you can go to the paddy field. And how to catch them? You just need to point a very bright torch. I mean, you can use LED torch, or not the fire torch, but the electronic one. And make sure to point to their eyes, and you approach them slowly and quietly. Don't make them afraid, and then just always point the torch to their eyes. And after that, after you get probably 30 or 40 centimeters uh, in the shot, I mean the distance, you can just grab with your own hands like that from behind, of course. So your right hand or your left hand point the torch to their eyes, and after that you catch them from behind. It is so easy, and I've done it. I had done it several times already when I was little, and but you make sure you are be so careful at nights in the paddy field, since there are so many snakes right there and rats. So the snakes hunting rat, and make sure you do not get caught in the middle of their hunting, since it is so dangerous. it they can bite your feet, and yeah, it will be disaster if you get bitten by the snake. So I think that's all for today for this pecking bird. It is so beautiful and I like it very much. I also like to, yeah, watch or see this kind of birds, and yeah, it is very amazing to be able to enjoy the nature. Okay, I think that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you are able to catch bird at night using that uh, LED torch. Okay, see you, have a good day.